Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we have seen the meaning of estimating costing, purposes of estimating and costing, and what are the roles and responsibilities of estimator. That we have seen in the previous lecture. Now, what are the technical terms or what are the different types of sanction required for execution of particular work by the government, which we are going to see in this lecture. The very first, before execution of any government work, unless and until these three sanctions are not there, no work can be started. The very first sanction which is required to execute any government work is the administrative sanction, administrative approval or administrative sanction. Second is financial sanction or budget provision. The government in their 5-year plan make the provision for the particular work, that is called as financial sanction or budget provision. And third one is the technical sanction. These three terms we will see what is there in detail in these three terms. Administrative approval: for any project, an approval or sanction of the competent authority of the department is necessary at the first instance with the respect of the cost and work sanction from the government. The administrative approval is given only by the competent government authority. It may be the secretary of the government, it may be the minister of the government, or it may be the whole state government. As per the protocol, the sanction is given to the particular work. Unless and until administrative approval is not there, you cannot execute any work. Administrative approval denotes the formal acceptance of the proposal. That is, the government has accepted it. If they are giving sanction to that particular work, the government is giving formal acceptance. Yes, you go ahead with that work. After administrative approval, engineering department take up the work and prepare detailed design, plan, estimate to execute the work. So once again I am repeating, administrative approval is nothing but the formal acceptance to the preliminary drawing and estimate, that is approximate estimate. The formal acceptance by the government to the preliminary drawing and design is nothing but administrative approval or administrative sanction. Are you getting? The second is your technical sanction. The technical sanction is given by the competent technical authority. Administrative approval is given by the competent government authority. The technical sanction is given by the competent technical authority. The technical sanction of the detail estimate, the sanction given to the detail estimate, design calculation, quantities of work, rate and cost of the work by the competent authority of the engineering department. The word is very important. Engineering department is known as technical sanction. After administrative approval, the detail estimate are prepared, detail design are prepared, detail quantities are worked out, the rates are justified and the cost is found out, and that is sanctioned by the competent technical authority, that is the engineering department, is called as technical sanction. Once again I am describing you, administrative approval is given by the competent, formal acceptance to the preliminary estimate and approximate estimate by the competent government authority, and technical sanction is the sanction given by the competent technical authority to the detail estimate, design and calculation is called as technical sanction. After that technical sanction, the budget provision is there. Final sanction means allotment of fund or money for a project from the finance department of the government. In their 5-year plan, government allot the fund for execution of work. तुम्ही ऐकलं असेल की सरकार 5 वर्षामध्ये प्रत्येक कामाकरता बजेट प्रोव्हिजन करते, प्लान करते आणि त्यानुसार त्या कामाला निधी देते. तर दॅट पर्टिक्युलर सँक्शन, फायनान्शियल सँक्शन और अलॉटमेंट ऑफ फंड or money for the project is called as, by the government, is called as financial sanction or the budget provision. These three technical terms you should understood very well unless and until administrative approval, financial approval and technical sanction is not there, no government work will start. So for this, today only we will talk about these three technical terms: administrative sanction, financial sanction and technical sanction. Thank you.